Hi, this is June with New Orleans Potions, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make two color recipes for my mineral lipstick. One is called Carnation and one is called Chocolate. And in these 2 cups, these are my little throwaway cups. I already put the mineral base in here. So what I usually do is make a large amount and I store it in here. So I will put a link in the description that gives you the recipe for the base. So the first thing I did was I put 7 tads of the mineral base in each cup. These are some measuring spoons I get from tkbtrading.com. Let's see, it is a drop, a smidge, a pinch, a dash, and a tad. You'll see me use almost all of these for my measuring. And then the other thing is, the other measures are these scoops. It would be a large, a medium, and a small. And then for putting like just a tinge or a little bit of color, I use this snuff spoon, which I got off of Amazon. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna do Carnation. So I'm gonna put this aside. So we're gonna put 6 large scoops of titanium dioxide. That's 1. Oop. Always make sure your spoon empties, because a lot of these sticks. That's 3, 4, 5, and 6. They get stuck in the spoon and you think that it came out, but it really doesn't. So that's why I'm always tapping. So that's 6 large of titanium dioxide. Then I want to put 1 pinch of red 7. This is a lake dye. Let's see, 1 pinch. Okay. When you use lake dyes, if you're retailing, you're going to want to get them batch tested. You're going to want to buy them batch tested. So I get them sometimes from tkbtrading.com, or if you want to get smaller portions of batch tested, I will get them from justpigments.com. Okay, and so the next would be a pinch of yellow oxide. So wipe this a little bit. Okay. And that's going to make up Carnation. See what I mean by getting stuck? Okay, come out. All right. So that is Carnation. So we're going to put the color ingredients in the second one, and this one is called Chocolate. I always keep my recipe cards out so you can stay on track. Okay, so we want to put 3 large and 1 pinch of titanium. So, here. All right, this would be 1, 2, and 3. All right, that's 3 large scoops and 1 pinch. Oh, okay, I'm gonna pinch off a little bit. Okay, and 1 pinch. That's it for the titanium. So we want to put 3 large red oxide blue shade. There's 2. There's a regular red oxide, and this one is the red oxide blue. It gives you more like a mauve-y color. Okay, that's 3. And the pigments do not have to be batch tested. Okay, and then we want to put 1 drop of blue. This is a lake dye. I just put it in here just because it's easier to dispense. Okay, and this is blue 1. So we want to put 1 drop. See how it gets stuck? There we go. Okay, 1 drop of the blue 1, and then we want to put 1 drop of lake dye red 7. Okay, that makes up your base and then your color. So the next thing we want to put are the oils. So I'm gonna put 4 mils of castor oil in each one. That's 1. These are syringes I get from TKB Trading as well. And when you get them, I put a piece of tape over this so you don't rub off the measurements. So that's 4 mils of castor oil. And we want to put 2 mils of jojoba oil. Okay, that's 2 mils. And then we want to put 1 mil of vitamin E. These are real easy to make. And after I make them, I usually let them sit up for a little while, just so the minerals absorb the oils. And so putting it in the oils as well will make the color really come out from the minerals and the pigments in the lake dyes. So what you can do at this point is you can stir by hand and you can finish this. I will use my drill to finish, but you can definitely do it with your spatula. But before you would even use the drill, you want to make sure you incorporate all the ingredients. So we're going to do Carnation first. Okay, now that that's stirred, we are going to use the drill. This is just a bit that my husband made to fit in my drill. So it's got like a little hook on the end so it can stir the lipsticks. As you can see, it whips it up a whole lot faster. Okay, now with that stirred, we are going to wipe this off. And we're going to stir the chocolate. I always keep a lot of paper towels and 91% alcohol so I can kind of clean things as I go when I'm making a lot of different things. Okay, let's wipe. Okay. So we're going to stir this and get everything incorporated, and then I'm going to blend it with the drill again. Okay, this is the Carnation, and so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put some on my arm so you can see the color. And what I'll do is I'll leave this sit out for about 12 hours, and so tomorrow morning it's going to be a little bit more color than what you see right here. Let's do the chocolate. So that would be your Carnation and your chocolate. And what I do with these when I'm finished is I will put these in a lip gloss tube. So you can put them in a pot too, but they apply better in a lip gloss tube. Okay, this is June with New Orleans Potions, and this was Carnation and chocolate color for a mineral liquid lipstick.